Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to FSAC's online sport program. Here is Mubin Mushtaq with another lecture of chemistry. We are discussing about chapter number 6, that is about solutions. We are discussing about the types of solutions, and in the previous lectures you have learned about some types of solutions, and these types were saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. An unsaturated solution is a solution in which more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. The solution in which we can dissolve more and more solute at a given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. A saturated solution is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that will dissolve at a given temperature. If we increase the temperature, we can increase the solute in this type of solution. And the supersaturated solution is the solution that contains more solute than would dissolve in a saturated solution. If we heat up the saturated solution and we dissolve more solute, then a situation which will reach that the solution will not be able to dissolve further more solute. At this stage we can see that solution is a supersaturated solution. This is some of the recap of the previous lectures. Now coming to the today's topic, that is about the types of solution, and these types of solutions are based on the physical state of the solution. As the matter have different physical state, these states are gas, liquid and solid. Like that, solutions may have different physical states, and now we are going to discuss these types of solutions which are based on their physical state. As solute and solvents can exist in any one of the three states of matter, that is gas, liquid और solid. सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट दोनों जो हैं वो गैस, लिक्विड या सॉलिड तीनों में से किसी भी स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं. Solutions can also exist in any three states of matter. That's why you have to know that solutions also can have all three states of matter. These states of matter are gas, liquid or solid. Why? Because the physical state of solution is same as that the physical state for solvent. Physical state of solution depends upon the physical state of the solvent. What is solvent? Solvent is a substance that is present in larger amount in a solution. That's why the physical state of the solution will be the same as that for the सॉल्वेंट. जो सॉल्वेंट की फिजिकल स्टेट होगी वही सॉल्यूशन की फिजिकल स्टेट होगी, क्योंकि सॉल्वेंट जो है वो लार्जर अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है. We will discuss about types of solutions, and these different types of solutions are gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solution. As I have told you that the state of solution may be gaseous, liquid or solid. That's why we are going to discuss all these types of solution. First type that is we are going to discuss about is gaseous state. It includes gases or vapors dissolved in one another. If two gases are dissolved in one another, this is known as the gaseous solution. If gas is dissolved in any liquid, then it is also known as gaseous state solution. If gas is dissolved in a solid, there may be three cases. These are the solution in gases are used as a solute. In the second one, the liquid solution. Liquid solutions are also of three types: liquid dissolved in gas, liquid dissolved in liquid or liquid dissolved in solid. And in case of solid solutions, there are also three types: solid dissolved in gas, solid dissolved in liquid and solid dissolved in solid. We will discuss all three types separately. First of all, we will discuss about the gaseous solutions. They include gases or vapors dissolved in one another. Two or more gases can form a solution. Air is the best example of a gaseous solution, which is a mixture of gases. The gas which is present in the larger amount is solvent, and the gases which are present in the lesser amount, they are known as solute. When dry is made up of oxygen gas dissolved in nitrogen gas. Nitrogen that is present in the larger amount, it is solvent, and oxygen is solute. In case of air, as we take it as an example of a gaseous solution. We have some daily life examples regarding these solutions. Coffee or tea, it is the example of a solution. Sweet tea or coffee, that is sugar added to solution, it is the solution of solid in liquid. Any juice, it is also a solution. Salt water, when we add salt in water, it is an example of solution. Bleach, that is the sodium hypochlorite dissolved in water, it is also an example of solution. Dishwater, that is soap dissolved in water, when we dissolve soap in water, it is also a solution. Carbonated beverages like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc., these are the solutions, and in which carbon dioxide is dissolved in water or in soda water. These are the examples of carbonated beverages. We can say Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc. Powdered drinks, these are also the examples of solutions. So if we observe in our daily life, we can see more and more examples regarding these solutions. Now coming to the solution of gases. Gaseous solutions are used by chemical industry to prepare many chemical substances. Example, a gaseous mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen is a gas and hydrogen is another gas. These two, when mixed, they form a mixture, and this mixture is known as ammonia. Ammonia is another gas. So this is the best example of a gaseous mixture in which solvent is a gas, solute is also a gas, and the solution is also in the gaseous state. A gaseous mixture of nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas, it is used to prepare ammonia. You can see in the chemical equation N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3. It means nitrogen, when combines with 3 moles of hydrogen, it gives 2 mole of ammonia. You can also see the physical state of nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. All these gases are in the gaseous state, and it is an example of gaseous solution. Gaseous solutions are widely used in chemical industry. They are the raw materials for many other chemicals. These are the examples of gaseous solution. These are the examples of solution of gases in gases. Urea is a mixture of ammonia and carbon dioxide, as ammonia is a gas and carbon dioxide is also a gas. And these two gases, when mixed up, they form a solution, that is urea. For preparing nitric acid, mixture of ammonia gas and oxygen gas is used. Ammonia is a gas, oxygen is also a gas. When these two gases mix up, they form a solution that is known as nitric acid. In these cases, a gaseous mixture or solution of gases is used. In these cases, solute and solvent both are gases. You can see in the first case, ammonia and carbon dioxide both are gases, and in the second case, ammonia and oxygen, both these are gases. So the resulting solution will also a gas. When these two gases will combine, they form a solution that is also a gas. So these are the example of gaseous solution. In these types of solution, solute and solvent both are gases. We use the term solute and solvent very oftenly, so keep in mind that gas which is present in the lesser proportion is a solute, and the gas which is present in the larger amount is a solvent. Here you can see the example of air as a gaseous solution. In this case, solvent is a gas. Small amount of one gas dissolved in larger amount of a gas. Both are gases, so solute and solvent both are in the gaseous state, and the solution, the resulting solution, that is air, which is also in the gaseous state. So we can see that 78% of nitrogen is present in air. It means the percentage of nitrogen is higher in air, so nitrogen is considered as a solvent, and the percentage of oxygen is 20%. Its amount is lesser, that's why oxygen is solute in this case. So this is the example of a gaseous solution. Gases dissolved in liquids. This is another example of a solution of gases in liquids. Gases, when dissolved in liquids, also produce some important solutions. For example, water can dissolve small amount of air, giving a solution whose oxygen content is important for the survival of fish and other aquatic life. जितनी भी मछलियाँ या दूसरी चीज़ें जो aquatic life हैं, उनको survive करने के लिए, सांस लेने के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. This is the oxygen that is dissolved in the water, and this is the example of a solution of a gas